Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change your birthday on Cash App. In order to change your birthday on Cash App or to change your age on Cash App, first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So there's no such direct method of changing your birth date on Cash App. There are some alternatives which you can definitely give it a try. So the first alternative is closing your Cash App account or deleting your Cash App account. In order to delete your Cash App account, what you need to do is first of all log into your account, and once you're logged in the upper right hand side corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. And after that, click on account settings. Next page, you'll be able to see multiple options. Under it, scroll down a bit and then click on close my Cash App account. For the confirmation, you might be asked to retype in your password. So enter in your password, and after that, you've successfully closed your Cash App account. After closing your Cash App account, you can recreate a new one with a new birth date that you want to add it to your Cash App. So that was one of the methods on how you can change your birthday on Cash App. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also verify your account. In order to verify your account, you need to enter in your social security number, and after that you might be provided with an option or alternative to change either of your personal information. On that page, you can change your birth date as well. If none of these seems to be working, what else you can do is you can simply contact the support team, and after that you can state about the issue and they'll look into your matter. So these were the few steps on how you can change your birth date on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.